As the years pass, physical VHS tapes face an inevitable decline due to magnetic degradation and the scarcity of working players. This has fueled a surging demand for reliable conversion tools among those looking to rescue family memories and retro content. Our guide evaluates the market's top-performing units, specifically focusing on video signal stability, build quality, standalone versus PC-dependent layouts, and overall value for the home archivist.
Product number 1. Portta VHS to digital converter, standalone model. The Portta VHS to digital converter is a compact, no-nonsense solution for those who want to digitize their library without tethering themselves to a computer. When testing this unit, the first thing I noticed was its sturdy, lightweight frame and the intuitive physical buttons that make blind operation surprisingly easy. It's designed as a standalone box that records directly to a USB flash drive or SD card, which is a massive plus for users who find complex software installation a headache. In terms of performance, the Portta handles standard RCA and S-video inputs with impressive stability. While many budget converters struggle with jitter on older, worn-out tapes, this model features an internal sync protection that keeps the audio and video aligned, a common pain point in the analog-to-digital world. It captures in a universal MP4 format, making your files instantly playable on smartphones, tablets, or smart TVs. The build quality feels professional, with gold-plated connectors that suggest a longer lifespan than the average plastic dongle. For someone who has a box of tapes and just wants a reliable, push-button experience, the Portta offers exceptional value and peace of mind.
Product number 2. ClearClick Video to Digital Converter 2.0 Second Generation. ClearClick has long been a household name in the rescue your media niche, and their 2.0 second generation model remains a fan favorite for its balanced feature set. This unit feels like a significant step up from the first generation, featuring a larger 3.5-inch preview screen. This screen is a game changer. It allowed me to monitor the footage in real time without having to hook the device up to a TV, making the desk setup far less cluttered. The second generation isn't just a label. It introduces improved recording quality, 720 by 480 resolution, and a very helpful auto stop feature. You can set the timer for 60, 90, or 150 minutes, meaning you can start a tape and walk away without worrying about the device recording an hour of blue screen static after the movie ends. During my evaluation, the pause-resume function also stood out, allowing me to skip over unwanted commercials or blank spots during the recording process. It records directly to USB or SD cards, and the included VideoPod software is a nice bonus for those who want to do some light editing on their PC later. It's the ideal middle ground choice for users who want visibility and control.
Product number 3. VHS to digital converter, USB adapter style. For the budget-conscious techie who doesn't mind using their PC as the recording hub, the standard USB VHS to digital converter is the most cost-effective path. Unlike the standalone boxes, this is a sleek grabber cable that plugs directly into your laptop's USB port. It feels surprisingly robust for its size, with thick cabling that doesn't feel like it will fray after a few uses. The real performance here depends on the bundled software. Once installed, the layout is straightforward. You see a virtual VCR on your screen, and you simply hit record in the program while your physical VCR plays. During testing, I found that this direct-to-PC method is actually superior for those who plan to do heavy editing, as the files are already on your hard drive and ready for a program like Adobe Premiere or DaVinci Resolve. The value here is unbeatable. For a fraction of the cost of standalone units, you get the same 480p digital quality, provided your computer has the processing power to handle the encoding. If you're comfortable installing a driver and want to save some cash, this is the most efficient tool for the job. Number 4. Portta VD22P VHS to digital converter with 5-inch HG screen. If the standard Portta is a compact tool, the VD22P is a full-blown workstation. Holding this device feels like holding a small tablet. The 5-inch HD screen is bright, sharp, and makes navigating the on-screen menus a breeze. The build quality is top tier, featuring a vertical stand that makes it a permanent fixture on a media desk. What sets this model apart is its ability to upscale. While VHS is natively low resolution, the VD22P uses a high-quality scaler to output a 1080p 60Hz signal via HDMI. During my testing, the VD22P handled timing errors and dropouts in low-quality tapes better than almost any other unit. It's incredibly resilient to the tracking issues found in old home movies. Another professional touch is the support for Sony NP-F batteries, allowing you to use it in the field if you're digitizing directly from an old camcorder without being tethered to a wall outlet. It records in high bitrate MP4 and even allows for manual adjustment of brightness and contrast. If you have a massive library and want the highest possible fidelity and the easiest viewing experience, the VD22P is the gold standard.
Product number 5, ClearClick Video to Digital Converter 3.0, third generation. The ClearClick 3.0 is the latest evolution in the series and is clearly designed for the modern user who wants maximum convenience. It features a massive 5-inch screen and, more importantly, a built-in rechargeable battery. This portability is its killer feature. I was able to set up a VCR in one room and carry the converter around to check on the progress without needing a second power outlet. It feels substantial and premium, with a layout that prioritizes ease of use. The 3.0 version also upgrades the charging and data transfer to USB-C, keeping it compatible with modern cables. In terms of performance, it records at a high-quality 1080p upscaled and includes a 128GB USB drive in the box, so you are truly ready to go from minute one. The audio-video sync protection has been further refined here. Even with tapes that were slightly moldy or damaged, the ClearClick 3.0 maintained a solid lock on the signal. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the combination of the battery, the large screen, and the included storage makes it the most complete package for anyone who wants a frustration-free experience.